Kwento ni Toto. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang kwento.
Forgiving for me, I mean, honestly, for me, I don't think a life is okay. There's not, marami siyang sikreto talaga. There's a lot of mystery of the character kasi, ano siya eh, nakalala siya kung saan hindi do for 14 years. So, hindi mo alam kung ano yung plan niya. You don't know how he's gonna go about it. It's, nakahanap na siya ng many justifications kung bakit niya gagawin niya. And it's relentless, it's scary, and he won't be stopped. So, ano siya, very, very interesting role. It's very different from anything I've done in the past kasi yung character na to, it's very internal. It's not external where we're physicalizing or being big with the acting. It's very, very internal. So, nakakatakot siya. And to be quite honest, parang it was really a heavy process to portray it as well. Yeah.
Kasi medyo point of me, I play Alice Miller. I'm a mother and a woman who deals with a lot of trauma. Kumbaga parang on the outside, parang perfect yung life niya sa tingin ng mga tao. Pero ang daming pala niya pinagdaanan. So yun yung natatakot ng character. And first mother role ko rin to. So, wow! Yeah.
Congratulations! And relatable as your character right now.
Yes.
Okay, ako dito si Beth Mora. Teacher ako dito. Oo, pero ang nangyari kasi parang dahil dun sa isang pangyayari na nag-change sa buhay namin lahat, na iba lahat yung pangarap ko. Ay, yung kumbaga may pangarap ako pero iba yung pinagalasan. So, yun, parang broken dreams yung tema ni Beth.
May secret ba na pwedeng explode ang character mo?
Hindi pwede.
Hindi pwede.
Oo, kasi yung character ko dito yung pinakamapagpanggap.
Linaglan na lang niya yung sarili.
Oo, gano'n. So, hindi pwedeng ma-reveal kung ano talaga yung secret niya. Gano'n.
Okay, pero can you give us a summary of your character?